I'm Kevin Orm. I'm the Executive Director of the Construction Services Division of the Indiana Department of Correction. I'm the new guy. I'm in my 34th year with the Department of Correction, 22 years in this role. Currently, we are under construction at the largest capital project in the state's history near Westville, Indiana, of a $1.2 billion, 4,200-bed, medium maximum security correctional facility. When it is completed, it will be one of the most efficient, best designed, best constructed correctional facilities ever built in the country. The reason it has done that is because of the team we selected. The team we selected to design it, the team we have selected to build it. We have exceeded all expectations and all timelines for how to build a new prison, and we are well along our way. We've done that with a partnership with Pauly Jail and several other Indiana companies, to include Willoughby. How do I build a new prison? How do I build a new jail? If you're starting to explore those options, there's no other training opportunity that I can suggest to you that is more beneficial and more efficient use of your time and more worthwhile than to come to one of the Pauly Jail building company seminars. I know how the industry works. I understand how the industry works. I'm a part of the internal workings of the industry, and I value these seminars. They are a good use of my time, and they will be for you. You will learn more at the Pauly Jail seminars than you will learn from any online articles that you will read, any trade publication, magazines. They truly are the best source of information for starting this process that you will find anywhere in the United States.
Good morning, I'm TJ Rogers and I'm president of Actor Controls, and we're part of the Pauly Jail building team of manufacturers. And our experience and our collaboration with our other team members, we are able to provide successful projects through collaboration, as well as innovation for the industry. So some of the things we can do with the control system, and I'm going to bring up the demo for this steel cell that we have here at Willoughby's plant. And what we want to do is talk about some of the innovation. So some of the innovation includes the music selection, so we can turn on the ocean sounds. And the occupant inside the cell or room has the ability to locally control and create the environment that they want to create. Or you can create, as the operator or as the administrator, the same sort of environment. So we have the ability to turn on music. We can answer intercom. When we answer the intercom, we're calling up the camera so that we can see what's going inside that space or in a hallway. Some of the other innovation is the utility control. So we can turn on the light, we can change the color of the light, we can increase the light volume. So there's a lot of functionality that the officer, the manager, or the person inside the room or cell has in creating their own environment, just like you do at home. The other things that you might want to look at is, and this is a demonstration of the camera. So that's a multi-imager camera that we can call up to show the exterior. So we see the whole panoramic view of the exterior of the building, as well as the inside of the cell. We have two-way cameras so that we can see a hallway, so you get the whole scene and picture that is overlapping. So those are just some of the things. And again, the intuitive nature of the software provides you a ton of functionality, and almost anybody can take a look at this control station and understand what's going on, because doors look like doors, intercoms look like intercoms, cameras look like cameras. So what we did is we set up the software, the operator interface, to be similar to the technology that a person would use every day, such as their cell phone, whether that's an iPad or an Android or whatever. It's the same sort of look and feel. So therefore, it's easier for a person to get up to speed and operate the system effectively. So we're inside the steel cell right now, and a person inside this cell can create their own environment. We have an example where maybe somebody wants to hear the ocean. So the intercom can actually play ocean sounds, nature sounds, rainstorms, music. The facility can do program announcements. it does the time and date. So the person inside this room or cell can create an environment that provides them a semblance of calm and relaxation, as well as separates them from the rest of the world. Another feature of functionality that you may want to consider is light temperature and dimming control. So as you can see in this application, the person inside this room, as well as the operator, could change the light temperature to provide more of a calming environment or more of a energetic environment, as well as we can do the dimming, so we can control the level of the light. And why we do this is obviously studies have proven that the circadian rhythm associated with being inside a facility such as this is important. So it provides the opportunity for facility managers so that people are awake when they should be awake and asleep when they should be asleep, as well as the occupants can create their own environment. Accurate Controls and the Pauly Jail team of manufacturers brings a wealth of experience in the corrections market, and our innovation and collaboration brings project success through multiple delivery methods. Our innovation is fueled by our strategic partnerships with our manufacturers and, again, the Pauly Jail team of manufacturers.
I'm Mike Smith, President and CEO of Steel Cell of North America. In 25 years and plus in this industry, there are two real game changers that we have in our industry now. And one is the prefabricated cell product, and the other is the collaborative team of manufacturers that comes together to make it all happen. And that's the Pauly Jail building team. Prefabricated modular cell that I'm in right now, packed with innovation, constantly changing, integrating new and innovative products from the collaboration of our greater team. The cell itself is full of innovation, from the coating to specialty products that are integrated in the factory, to pre-wiring, low voltage wiring. These are all speed savers. These are game changers. These deliver the projects faster. The other game changer is the team itself. A team that can collaborate, that can make sure that all the different parts and pieces have the proper information, arrive at manufacturing in a timely manner, correct, so that we can put these things in production. Back to the game changer on prefab. When we're building these large or medium-sized facilities, it's very important that we're ahead of the construction site, and we're able to prefab these in a manner in which they're ready and waiting to go to a job site. We're building right now in our plant the cells for the new Indiana State Prison in Westville. Today, the site is not ready, but today we have over 700 cells in storage waiting to come to the job site. That's how an effective team will work, and that's how prefabrication is a game changer. Back to the team, none of this could happen without a very strong team leader. And this is very unique in our industry, that we have someone that understands every part and piece that goes into the detention package, and that's Pauly Jail Building Company. Their experts work with all the different moving pieces to get us precisely locations, back boxes, needed dimensions, size of bunk, type of light fixture, our plumbing fixtures. And this collaborative team that consists of Pauly Jail at the top, Steel Cell, Accurate, Titan Door, Willoughby Industries is the best in our industry.
Hello and welcome to Indianapolis, Indiana, specifically the Willoughby Industries manufacturing plant. My name is Craig Alderson. I'm president of Willoughby Industries, and on behalf of the Pauly Jail team, we're thrilled that you're able to join us today. I wanted to share some information about our involvement with the team, which includes other manufacturers, including Steel Cell of North America, Titan Steel Door, Accurate Controls, and Modern Detention, and a few others. Specifically to Willoughby Industries, we manufacture a variety of stainless steel products. In this cell, demonstration cell that we're in today, many are included in the cell. Specifically, stainless steel plumbing fixtures. They come in a lot of different shapes and sizes, as many of you know. Individual toilets, individual lavatories, behavioral health care products, ligature resistant products, handicap or ADA accessible style products. And we also manufacture a variety of accessories that go with those, including stainless steel mirrors, stainless steel towel hook assemblies, individual shower heads and push button controls, shower bases, and products outside the cell as well. We're now on the outside of the steel cell demonstration cell here in our plant. As part of this, we wanted to also share with you a new venture, Willoughby Locking Systems. Willoughby Locking Systems manufactures detention locks and detention hardware. And you can see some of those products here on this cell door. The hinges that you see, typically 3 or 4 hinges per door are included. These are stainless steel hinges we manufacture. The food pass locks with paracentric key, different styles of food pass locks, loop pulls, and as most people are aware, a jam lock or an 8-inch jam lock. These are newer products in the Willoughby Industries offering. Thank you for taking the time to look at this. One of the other things we'd like to show you is our electronic water management systems. Electronic water management is used on virtually 80% of the projects we do today, and it's become a standard feature, so to speak, with many of our design professionals in their projects. We'll go around to the back of the cell and I can show you what that entails. We're now standing at the back of our demonstration cell. This typically would be a chase area in a correctional facility, and it has access to the important components of the water management system. The head end or operator workstation of the water management system, even though it's shown here for demonstration purposes, is typically located in a guard station or in a maintenance area where it can be monitored and, when needed, controlled. What we show on here is a graphical representation from the architectural floor plans of an individual facility. This happens to be an imaginary facility, but it will give you the different wings or whatever the floor layout is, and then you can zoom in, if you like, into the specific area where you want to control or monitor plumbing fixtures. You can highlight those plumbing fixtures and do the control and monitoring functions from this operator workstation. Also part of the electronic water management system is electronic lavatory valves, electronic flush valve, and electronic shower valve. All of these valves are controlled by the cell valve controller, which is here. Cell valve controllers control the function of the combination unit we saw earlier inside the cell, as well as the shower. It can control banks of showers, it can control individual fixtures. It's a very versatile and flexible type of electronic component. Those are typically networked together via a Cat5 cable back to your operator workstation, enabling control and monitoring of your facility. We find that facility owners are typically interested in the water savings that are generated by a control system like this. Facility operators are very interested in the control capability, where if they want to use it during a shakedown or if they want to use it to limit nuisance flushing or a wasting of water with showers, they can easily do so. There are logging, trending capabilities. There are all kinds of different features that you can enable as part of the standard system that gives facility owners and facility operators alike control and water savings capabilities. For those of you that might be interested, we have the ability to bring our water management system demonstration to your site. We have demonstration trucks with sample systems built into them that can show your staff how a system operates and the savings in water that could be generated by such a system. These are some of the components we saw on the back of the demonstration cell. We have the same components, and then those components are tied into an operator workstation at the very back of our demonstration vehicle that gives our staff the ability to show your staff different features and benefits of a system. We'd be happy to bring this to you at your site.
Hi there, my name's Will Alderson with Willoughby Industries and Willoughby Locking Systems. We're proud to introduce our new line of detention locks to the detention market through Willoughby Locking Systems. We are looking to change the industry as a whole and come out with some new innovative technology that will be applied on new correctional facilities. We're a proud member of the Pauly Jail team and help support their needs for their detention lock projects. We have in front of us here a full line of both mogul and paracentric lock systems, all constructed out of stainless steel. You can see whether it be the castings, the springs, the sheet metal, any machined parts, we are doing that here in-house and making them in the USA. We also have a full line of accessories, so whether it be hinges, security hinges, door pulls, door push pull plates, all the accessories on the door, again, constructed out of stainless steel. Any of the DPSs, switches, test boxes, all other accessories that may go along with the locking systems we have as well. We are able to retrofit and adapt to existing facilities as well as new construction of facilities. Willoughby Locking Systems is a proud member of the Pauly Jail building team. We feel our stainless steel locks and detention products are a proud complement to the success that they carry out on their projects, and we look forward to working with you in the future.
Hi, I'm Damon Santamaro, President of Titan Steel Door. I'm here today to represent our great owner, Dick Treadwell, along with all of our employees based out of our Hartwell, Georgia plant. We have a state-of-the-art plant manufacturing detention hollow metal, focusing on doors, frames, windows, control room windows, walls, ceiling panels, both single and double skin, as well as our new product that we're going to be doing in just a bit that will have our new slider. Part of our product that you can see behind me is a multi-configuration door product that allows you, the architect, or you, the construction manager, to have different options that will work best in your facility. And inside your facility, our product is more important for both people on side of this door than just one. We look at the inmate side as well as we look at the guard side to ensure product safety, employee safety, and more along the lines of just overall environment that is a safe environment built with a high quality product. Our product is manufactured with quality standards being our #1 focus. So when we work with the Pauly Jail team, we are involved in the process early on so our designers can look at the best way to design a product that will ultimately allow us to deliver on time. No matter if we're working with Steel Cell of North America, we're located 30 minutes from them. So if we can work a project with them and deliver just in time to their manufacturing facility, it will allow their build schedule to maximize their efficiencies, will ultimately drive costing down the line to the end customer. We also look at how we approach a job from a cost standards and buying the materials, scheduling the materials, looking at a way that maximizes our production efficiencies while meeting delivery schedules at the project. I also want to show you today our new FDH 423 slider. So if you will, follow me over to it. So we have moved over to our FDH 423 slider mechanism, and with me today is Philip Loggins, our Vice President of Operations. Philip's going to help run a demo just so you can see our product in motion, because we're very proud today to announce that we are fire rated with our 3-hour test. We are fully ASTM approved, So we are ready to launch into this market, no matter if you're looking at a new product design, new project design, or if you're just looking for maintenance parts. We have the availability for parts and pieces all the way up to new product design. So with this demo today, I just wanted to reinforce the bigger picture here of the team that is standing behind this project. It's not just Titan. When you look at our new slider, you look at Accurate Controls, who is doing the modular controls and the motor systems. You're looking at Willoughby Lock Systems, who is doing the keyed lock that we have in the housing. So combining that effort and combining that, we want to be a source and be an opportunity for you to look at sliders on your project. Now with Philip showing you the demo, we're very proud to announce today that we have a moving slider. So a lot of team involvement went into making that action that looks simple, moving back and forth, but in reality, it took a lot of time, effort, and a lot of energy from people that are involved in this team to make that product work. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jared Bailey with Pauly Jail Building Company, Vice President of Operations. Standing here at Willoughby Industries, I want to welcome everybody to the seminar in St. Augustine. Today, just briefly want to touch on a few things as it relates to the procurement of the overall project and how that fits in for a detention equipment contractor. So as I said, we are a detention equipment contractor, which AKA DEC. What we do is we bring all of the physical security and electronic security to your facility. So doors, frames, hardware, security glazing, locks, modular steel cells, mezzanines, all of the physical ornamental sheet steel that goes into your facility, as well as coordinating with secure electronics to make all of the functionality work, from your water management system to your door controls, lighting controls, everything that goes into today's state-of-the-art facility. So some of the other folks are going to talk to you today about their unique products, the cost savings, the new technologies that you're going to see. And you may ask yourself, how do I make this all happen? How does this work for me, in my county, in my state, whatever project that you're working on? And quickly just touch on some of the delivery methods that are available to you. So you have a single prime GC bid, you have construction manager acting as the owner agent, you will have a design build method, you have a construction manager at risk method, and one of the things that's been tracking in our industry has been construction manager at risk and utilizing a design assist approach, which basically allows the construction management team, the design team, and the owner to select, based on qualifications and cost information, a detention equipment contractor, secure electronics contractors, plumbers, mechanical, whatever they decide is unique to their facility, whatever they care about. Bring these folks on board early that are really in tune with what's available in the industry and how to get it built correctly the first time. So you don't bid your project, you go over budget, then you have a VE and redesign process. This allows us to streamline the design with what's available and stay on budget throughout the entire project. So you know if you can afford to do this bell or that whistle, you have the people in the room, not just for the detention equipment, but for the entire mechanical, electrical, plumbing, fire protection scope. Precast is another one that I left out. But so it's a unique process that allows everybody to sit at the same table, open book situation with costs, and you can make the awards based on qualifications for each individual subcontractor. So hopefully you can research it some more, talk to some counties, some other facilities that have done this in the past, and see how it's allowed them and the successes that they've had, and if they would do it again. I'm sure that if you talk to people that have, they would have some pros and cons, but just make sure you understand all the different delivery methods that are available today before you go in and make a big decision. So thank you, and enjoy the rest of the seminar.